with Maya.
It's your girl, Dangerous Nation, and I'm here with my sister, Play with Maya. And today we're going to do a Nickelodeon slime video. So we got all the stuff. We got some containers, some tops, 2 glitters, a spoon, and some sticks, and this little thing that you put it in. So the first thing she gonna put in is the glue. Put in the glue. Want me to help you? Okay, that's enough.
Okay.
Okay, what color do you want?
I like blue.
Okay, so she like blue, so she go put in the blue glitter. Put it in. That's enough, that's enough, that's enough, that's enough. Ooh, she put too much in.
That's my stand.
Okay, wait. Use it. Okay, and then, yeah, I forgot we're gonna have to put like a little water in it.
Yeah.
So okay.
Water.
So then she gonna mix it up.
That makes up. Okay, we're gonna make
That's enough.
enough. And make sand. Next.
So it's like a blue slime, blue glitter, clear slime. So then, now we're gonna add some activator. We're gonna pour in a little at a time.
And then we put some activator.
Yeah, we're gonna put some activator. We're gonna put in a little at a time.
Activator.
Let me stir it up, okay? So you can know. Okay, guys, so it's coming together. If y'all can see.
Mine looks slimy.
Somebody stop. Okay, I think this should be our last squirt of activator.
Okay. That's a little activator.
I think we should add some more glitter. Some glue because it's a little watery.
A little water.
Okay.
Can we go to my hand? Show my hand. Scared one. Mama,
That
use
should be enough.
this other. Let's take this to make.
Okay. So I'm gonna go in with my hands because I got nails and I don't want her because I might. Okay, Maya, you can do it.
Wow.
You like it?
Okay.
Okay, y'all. So I don't think I like this one because like this activator is good, but it just not good enough.
Look.
So yeah. So this we got this from Walmart, and I think we're gonna do it like the regular way. So yeah, cause like when I add like it's thick, but it's not good like slime that you usually make like regular with just glue and detergent. So yeah, might you like this slime?
It's getting the same.
So guys, this is the slime. It's like
it's
a blue clear glittery slime.
I see.
And yeah, there you go. You can play with it.
It's kind of coming out okay. What are you doing, Maya?
Squish the slime.
You making slime?
Yeah, really.
Well, Maya is making slime. Oh, wow. Look at that, Maya.
Wait, now I'm gonna make my own slime, okay?
Okay, make it by yourself.
Okay, there go your slime.
Hey, Maya, do you like making slime?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. You did a good job.
Sticky. Just sticky.
Let's see what your big sister is doing now.
Okay. Now, what are you racing?
I'm making blue because you left blue glitter in here, so I'm gonna add some silver.
Then guess what? Then it's squish like this. Then it's squish like this.
That's nice.
Oh, wow. That is so beautiful, Maya.
Mommy, why you was hurt? Look,
What color is that?
blue.
Oh, wow. That is nice.
Blue like this.
You made blue slime, Maya.
A ghost. Stick a good. Wait.
What are you making over there?
Wow! Wow! Sticky, sticky, sticky.
I haven't made slime in a long time.
Mia, you lose my hand,
I
dirty.
don't but use this type of brand. I
I'm
don't
gonna
use
lose
regular.
tight. Mine's a little blue.
Oh, wow. That is beautiful, Maya. Oh, my.
Now can we mix it up, Maya?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what we got. Okay, y'all, so we mixed it together. We got like the blue silvery slime.
Watch someone play with Maya. Subscribe to my channel.